Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into practical and achievable ways to make extra money after your regular work hours. Whether you're saving for a special goal, paying off debt, or just looking to boost your income, there are plenty of options out there. We'll explore side hustles, online opportunities, and creative ideas that fit into your busy schedule. Let's get started and discover how you can turn your free time into extra cash, all without sacrificing your work-life balance. Before jumping into any side hustle, it's important to assess your own skills and interests. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Are you creative, tech-savvy, or great with people? Identifying your strengths will help you choose the most suitable and enjoyable way to earn extra money. This self-reflection ensures that your side gig feels less like work and more like a rewarding extension of your day. Freelancing is one of the most flexible ways to earn extra money after work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for skills in writing, graphic design, programming, and more. You can set your own hours and rates, making it easy to fit projects around your main job. Even if you're just starting out, there are plenty of entry-level gigs available. Over time, you can build a portfolio and increase your earnings. If you have expertise in a particular subject, tutoring can be a rewarding way to make extra money. You can offer lessons online or in person, depending on your preference. Websites like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Wyzant make it easy to connect with students. Whether it's academic subjects, music, or even teaching a language, sharing your knowledge not only helps others, but also brings in additional income. Driving for rideshare companies like Uber or Lyft is a popular way to earn extra money on your own schedule. If you have a car and enjoy meeting new people, this could be a great fit. You can choose when to work, making it easy to drive after your main job or on weekends. Plus, you might discover new parts of your city and make connections along the way. Food delivery services like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub offer another flexible way to make extra money. All you need is a car, bike, or scooter. You can pick up orders when it's convenient for you, making it easy to fit deliveries into your evenings or weekends. Plus, you often get to keep 100% of your tips, which can add up quickly. If you love animals, pet sitting or dog walking can be both fun and profitable. Apps like Rover and Wag connect you with pet owners in need of reliable care. You can choose jobs that fit your schedule, whether it's evening walks or weekend pet sitting. Not only do you earn extra cash, but you also get to spend time with furry friends. Are you crafty or artistic? Selling handmade goods on platforms like Etsy can turn your hobbies into income. Whether you make jewelry, art, candles, or home decor, there's a market for unique handmade items. You can work on your creations after work and list them online, reaching customers around the world. Participating in online surveys and market research is a simple way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research pay you for your opinions. While it won't make you rich, it's easy to do while watching TV or relaxing after work. If you have an extra room or parking spot, consider renting it out for extra income. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to list a spare bedroom, while apps like Spot Hero let you rent out parking spaces. This passive income stream can be especially lucrative in busy cities or tourist areas. The gig economy offers countless opportunities for extra income. From task-based apps like TaskRabbit to freelance delivery and odd jobs, you can find gigs that fit your skills and schedule. This flexibility allows you to pick up work whenever you have free time, making it easy to supplement your main income. Many companies hire part-time remote customer service representatives. If you have good communication skills and a quiet space at home, this can be a steady way to earn extra money. You'll help customers via phone, email, or chat, often during evenings or weekends. Plus, you gain valuable experience that can help in your main career. Babysitting is a classic way to earn extra money, especially if you enjoy working with children. You can offer your services to neighbors, friends, or through apps like Care.com. Evening and weekend babysitting jobs are in high demand, and you can often set your own rates and schedule. Offering house cleaning services is a practical way to earn extra money, especially in your local community. Many people are willing to pay for help with regular cleaning or special projects. You can advertise your services online or through word of mouth and choose jobs that fit your availability. If you enjoy working outdoors, offering yard work or gardening services can be a great side hustle. Tasks like mowing lawns, raking leaves, or planting flowers are always in demand. You can work for neighbors or advertise in local groups, earning extra money while staying active. Decluttering your home and selling unused items is a quick way to make extra cash. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist make it easy to list items you no longer need. From clothes to electronics, someone out there is looking for what you have. Plus, you'll enjoy a tidier home. Focus groups are a fun way to share your opinions and get paid for it. Companies want feedback on products and services, and they're willing to compensate you for your time. Sessions can be in person or online, and topics range from food to technology. It's a unique way to earn extra money and influence future products. Virtual assistants help businesses with tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media. If you're organized and detail-oriented, this could be a perfect fit. You can work remotely and set your own hours, making it easy to balance with your main job. Many small businesses are looking for reliable help, so opportunities are plentiful. Transcription involves listening to audio recordings and typing them out. If you have good listening and typing skills, this can be a straightforward way to earn extra money. Websites like Rev and TranscribeMe offer plenty of transcription jobs, and you can work as much or as little as you like. Creating content through a blog or YouTube channel can eventually become a source of extra income. While it takes time to build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Choose a topic you're passionate about and work on your content after hours. Over time, your side project could grow into something much bigger. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. You can do this through a blog, social media, or even email newsletters. It's a great way to earn passive income, especially if you already have an online presence or are willing to build one. If you enjoy photography, selling stock photos can be a creative way to make extra money. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock let you upload your photos and earn royalties each time someone downloads them. You can take photos in your free time and build a portfolio that generates ongoing income. Companies pay for feedback on their websites and apps to improve user experience. Platforms like User Testing and Try My UI pay you to test sites and provide your opinions. It's easy to do from home, and each test usually takes just 10 to 20 minutes. This is a simple way to earn extra money in your spare time. If you're fluent in more than one language, translation services are in high demand. You can find freelance translation jobs online or work with agencies. This is a great way to use your language skills to earn extra money. And you can often work on your own schedule. If you have graphic design skills, offering your services on platforms like 99designs or Fiverr can be lucrative. Businesses and individuals always need logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials. You can take on projects after work and build a portfolio that could lead to even more opportunities. If you're handy with tools, offering handyman services can be a great way to earn extra money locally. From minor repairs to assembling furniture, many people need help with odd jobs. You can advertise your services in your neighborhood or through online platforms, choosing projects that fit your skills and schedule. If you're passionate about fitness, consider becoming a part-time fitness coach or personal trainer. You can offer sessions in person or online, helping others reach their health goals. This is a rewarding way to share your knowledge, stay active, and earn extra money after work. If you play an instrument, teaching music lessons can be a fulfilling side hustle. You can offer lessons in person or online, working with students of all ages. Not only do you earn extra money, but you also help others develop their musical talents. Working at events like concerts, weddings, or conferences is a great way to earn extra money, especially on weekends. Roles include serving, setup, or ticketing. Event staffing agencies can connect you with opportunities, and you'll often get to enjoy lively environments while working. Seasonal jobs, such as holiday retail, tax preparation, or summer camp counseling, offer a way to earn extra money during busy times of the year. These jobs are often temporary, making them perfect for fitting around your main job. Plus, you can gain new experiences and skills. If you enjoy crafting or DIY projects, you can sell your creations online or at local markets. Handmade jewelry, home decor, and personalized gifts are always popular. This allows you to turn your creative hobbies into a profitable side business, working at your own pace after hours. Universities and research organizations often pay participants for studies. These can range from medical trials to psychological surveys. Compensation varies, but it's a unique way to earn extra money and contribute to scientific progress. Always make sure to understand the requirements and risks before participating. If you own equipment like cameras, tools, or even party supplies, consider renting them out when you're not using them. Websites like Fat Llama make it easy to connect with people who need to borrow items. This is a passive way to earn extra money from things you already own. Starting a mobile car wash service is a practical side hustle. You can offer to clean cars at people's homes or workplaces, saving them time and effort. With minimal startup costs and flexible hours, this is a great way to earn extra money. especially if you enjoy working outdoors. Offering laundry and ironing services can be a helpful and profitable side business. Many busy professionals are willing to pay for these chores. You can advertise locally and pick up and deliver laundry in your neighborhood, fitting jobs around your schedule. Grocery shopping for others is a growing side hustle, thanks to apps like Instacart and Shipt. You can accept orders when you're available and earn money by shopping and delivering groceries. It's a great way to help others while earning extra cash on your own schedule. Becoming a notary public allows you to earn extra money by witnessing signatures and certifying documents. The requirements vary by location, but once certified, you can offer your services in the evenings or on weekends. Many people need notary services, making this a steady side gig. If you have a knack for writing and editing, offering resume writing services can be a valuable side hustle. Many job seekers need help crafting professional resumes and cover letters. You can work with clients online, helping them stand out and land interviews while earning extra money. If you're tech savvy, offering tech support to individuals or small businesses can be a great way to earn extra money. You can help with computer setup, troubleshooting, or software installation. Many people need help with technology, and you can offer your services remotely or in person. Cashback programs like Rakuten and Ibotta let you earn money back on purchases you already make. By using these apps when shopping online or in stores, you can accumulate rewards over time. It's a simple way to make your spending work for you and earn a little extra without extra effort. Many companies offer referral bonuses for bringing in new customers. You can share referral links with friends and family or through social media. Each successful referral can earn you cash or rewards, making this a simple way to boost your income with minimal effort. If you're bilingual or multilingual, offering translation services can be a lucrative side hustle. Businesses and individuals often need documents, websites, or marketing materials translated. You can find clients online or through local networks working on projects that fit your schedule. If you have photography skills and equipment, offering portrait or event photography can be a profitable side business. You can work evenings or weekends, capturing special moments for clients. Building a portfolio and getting referrals can help you grow your side hustle over time. If you enjoy cooking, meal prep services are in high demand among busy families and professionals. You can prepare meals in advance and deliver them to clients, saving them time and effort. This is a great way to turn your culinary skills into extra income after work. As you can see, there are countless ways to make extra money after work, no matter your skills or interests. The key is to choose something that fits your lifestyle and brings you satisfaction. Start small, set realistic goals, and gradually build your side income. Remember, consistency and a positive attitude are your best tools for success. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to earning more.